In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer crypto from eToro to your Ledger Nano S. Now to do this, we need to download eToro Money. This is an app that eToro made, and this is just for cryptocurrency. So make sure you go and download eToro Money on your phone. After that, we need to transfer our crypto to eToro Money. So what you need to do is completely verify your account, otherwise you cannot see the transfer button. So make sure you're completely verified with your phone number, complete the KYC and everything like this. Then go to portfolio, find the crypto, click on the position and select transfer. Now, like I said, there's no transfer for me since my account is not completed, but there will be a transfer button for you. This will transfer it to your eToro Money. Once the money is on eToro Money, you want to open up the app, click on crypto and select send. And then what we need to do on our PC now is to connect our Ledger Nano S, open up Ledger Live, select the crypto that you want to do it for, and then just get the address, type the address into your money app, eToro Money, and then it will transfer it to over there. So this is the easiest way that you can do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.